This is the Bundesmann water repellence tester. This machine simulates the rain drop from 1.5 meters high. The water is dropped on the top surface of the specimen. Right here, specimen is mounted on the water couple, and the underside of the specimen is a wiper. They can wipe the specimen underside, and the whole specimen holders are rotating at a speed. The wiper speed also can be set in our machine. After the tester, the specimen will be removed for the assessment of the water repellency, and the water penetrated inside the cup. The water amount will be weighed after the testing. So two different kind of tests actually. One is for the assessment of the water repellency on the fabric itself. Another factor is how much water penetrates from the fabric into the couple. So for our machine, we have the advanced R&D concept inside. The first one is the water circulation system. You don't need to waste too much water for this test. You can add water to the desired level, then the water will be pumped to the test nozzle. There are 300 nozzles for this tester. All the nozzles will drop water, and the water will drop into the big container. They will form a circulation system. It can save the water. And another function is that we designed a special gearbox together with our controlling system. You can control the specimen holder rotation speed and the wiper speed. Let me introduce the functions of our touchscreen software. In the ISO testing standard, they require the flow rate is 200 milliliters plus or minus 10 milliliters in 2.5 minutes. In the old model of the testing machine, it is very hard to adjust the actual flow rate. In our new machine, we have the advanced technology. They can control the flow rate automatically in a desired level. Because we have built in the pump and the flow sensor inside this pipeline, they can control the water circulation and control the flow speed. Okay. Next is the carrier speed. I just talked about it. The whole testing rack can be rotated at a desired speed. Also, this speed you can change this speed by yourself. The wiper speed also can be set by yourself. From here, you can see the water temperature. Actually, this machine can connect to water temperature control device. You can connect from the water control device into our machine, and the test will be done in a desired water temperature. After you press start, water drops will automatically control it. Actually, for this machine, they have a pan which can collect the water after you finish the test. This will prevent the water drop onto the specimen continuously. And another function for this pan is to keep the water running continuously. If you stop the water drop every time, it will take a long time for the preparation of the test, because you need a long time for the machine to get a stable condition. So the other function for this machine, you can manually control the water in and the drain, rains, everything you can control. This is the main machine of the water repellency test. For the ISO testing standard, working with this machine, they need a centrifuge, which can use it to remove the excess water after doing the water repellency test. After remove the excess water, they need to weigh the tracked weight of the wet specimen, then control with the weight of the dry specimen. They can calculate how much water have been absorbed by the specimen. After the test, you need to use a cup to drain the water from the testing cup and put on the digital balance to weigh the water amount. This is the two factors